The Children's Law Center started in 1989 here in Covington, Kentucky, and it was designed to protect the rights of children, both in terms of providing quality individual representation as well as addressing systemic sort of needs through policy, through class action litigation, through training, education, and communications kind of work around the needs of children. First and foremost, a real base of our services has been providing individual representation for children that need that. We serve about 500 young people a year in that capacity. In addition to that, we do look at how systems work to protect those young people, whether it's education, juvenile justice, child welfare. And so we do look at making positive sort of policy changes that can impact the lives of those young people more positively as well. We measure success in a number of ways. I think with our individual clients in particular, we want to resolve whatever the legal problem is that they came through our doors with in the best way possible, whether that's through a good outcome in court, whether it's just through having their voice being heard and empowering them as part of that process. But in addition to the legal outcomes, we also want to help them in ways through holistic representation that we can improve other areas of their lives to help them better transition into adulthood so that they have a better opportunity to earn a living wage, to have successes in their life long term. I love hearing stories from our attorneys about the day-to-day successes with young people that are succeeding, that are finishing school, that feel good about where they are in their lives, feel safer, or feel just that that their voice was heard in some capacity in the court system or in some other system. Every day, I think we know of circumstances of our clients where we make their lives better. Just yesterday, I had an attorney relate a story to me of a phone call of a young person so excited because they got into an internship program. She was out of school previously. That's a real success when the clients feel better about their lives, are being successful. That's a real accomplishment for us on an individual level. But in addition to that, some of the work we do is long-term system changes. And so whether it is working to improve conditions of confinement in correctional facilities, working to change school discipline policies, we can measure that by long-term outcomes and how those systems become more responsive to the needs of our clients. The Dancing with the Stars competition is a really important event for us. It raises unrestricted revenue. It really does make a difference in what is a pretty small budget overall for us. And it shows the enormous kind of community support that we have from Northern Kentucky and Cincinnati through these dancers and through the people that come and support them. I want the dancers to know that I'm aware of how hard it is to put yourself out there in front of all of those people, how much work and commitment it takes for them to be going through the lessons, taking time out of their busy schedules, and how much time it takes and energy to raise money and to ask people for their support. That's hard work, and I want to acknowledge that on behalf of every single one of those folks. But I also want them to know how deeply grateful we are that they have taken time out and have really been out there beating the bushes and supporting the work that we do in helping young people that come through our center. Well, as our dancers get ready to perform for you tonight, I want to thank each and every one of you for taking time out. You're going to have a great time tonight. Please give thanks to Arthur Murray, who is our sponsor and has been for several years. They do an absolutely terrific job of making these folks look good. So just enjoy the show tonight and support your favorite dancers. And thank you for your support of the Children's Law Center.